and the great grandmother of nation. परम सम्मानित निर्णायक मंडल सभा में उपस्थित सभी गणमान्य व्यक्ति, मैं राधे कृष्णा देश प्रेम और राष्ट्र निर्माण के उपलक्ष्य पर अपने कुछ विचार आप सभी के साथ साझा करना चाहूंगी. Now, आजादी, independence. Only the person that has actually faced slavery can understand the true meaning of independence. We are all so fortunate to be born in this independent India, and we are here celebrating a 75th Independence Day, and on 15th August 1947 got independence from British. And I would like to once again thank you all so much for giving me this chance, and I want to wish you all a very happy Independence Day, and thanks to all those great freedom fighters that once fought for our freedom. Today we are here celebrating Independence Day on 15th August. तब देश बलिदान मांगता था. ड्यूरिंग अ ब्रिटिश स्ट्रगल तब देश बलिदान मांगता था. प्राचीन, मध्यकालीन और वर्तमान भारत के उदाहरणों से स्पष्ट करना चाहूंगी कि जब हम के फेरे में फंस गए थे तो रंगते बसंती शोला की एक आवाज पर टोलों के टोले उमड़ाती थी, और उनके वंदे मातरम के नारे से खून में आने वाला 5-5 डिग्री का तूफान अंग्रेजी शासकों के जड़ों में तूफान ला देता था. लोग मर जाते थे, मिट जाते थे, फांसी चढ़ जाते थे, तो वो भी अपना देशभक्ति साबित कर रहे होते थे, क्योंकि ये उस दौर की देशभक्ति की कसौटी थी. उसके बाद 62, 65 और 71 के युद्धों में अपना सुहाग गवा देने वाली औरत जब घर के हालात ये हो जाया करते थे कि प्यार भी भरपूर गया, मांग का सिंदूर गया, नन्हे नौनिहालों की लंगोटियां चली गई, छोटी छोटी बेटियों की छोटियां चली गई, बाप की कमाई गई, भाई की पढ़ाई गई, ऐसा एक विस्फोट हुआ, पता है चला नहीं, पूरे जिस्म की कई बोटियां चली गई. और आपके लिए तो एक आदमी मरा है साहब, किंतु मेरे घर की तो रोटियां चली गई, मेरे घर की तो रोटियां चली गई. और उस दिन देश बलिदान मांगता था, देश मर जाने को कहता था, देश मर जाने को, मिट जाने को, फांसी चढ़ जाने को कहता था, किंतु आज देश मर जाने को नहीं कहता. आज देश लड़ जाने को, मिट जाने को, फांसी चढ़ जाने को नहीं कहता, बल्कि मेरे विचारों में यदि कोई व्यक्ति अपना काम, इन माई ओपिनियन, इफ अ पर्सन डज हिज ड्यूटीज एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज विद गुड एफर्ट, विद working day in and day out, pouring his heart out onto it, then he is the actual Deshbhakt. I don't think that coloring your Facebook and WhatsApp DP in 3 colors, saffron, white and green, once every year is called Deshbhakti. And if you say that, I don't know, holding an Indian flag in your hand once every year is called Deshbhakti, then I would like to ask you all, if you see a poor boy on the footpath, literally barefoot, under the blazing sun, selling Indian flags, then would you call that as Deshbhakti? Because I don't think that's Deshbhakti. That is that poor guy's hungry stomach that is forcing him to do all this, because people who are hungry by the stomach, they don't know. They don't know the masjid, they don't know the temples, they only know the precious principles of food. Sacrificing for your family, your friends, your community, your society and your country is all a part of Deshbhakti. And the storm-like fear feeling that you bring in every Deshdrohi's heart is your true Deshbhakti. Be so that every Deshdrohi can understand that the sky is yours if you want, and the stage is yours if you're ready. But much more worse than a Deshdrohi is a person who leaves his aged parents on the front doorstep of an old age home. Bravo! Is it called Deshbhakti when instead of helping to save people's life, we snap a selfie, upload it on whatever social media platforms, and work on growing the number of likes we have? And because I don't think that's Deshbhakti. And let me just say this, we still come in 6th place when it comes to women protection. And we live in a community where stone statues get food and many people go to bed empty stomach. And as for today, a person, the very same person that had a duty and responsibility towards his parents, his family, his country, his state and his country, the very same person is now using his delicate city-grown fingers to type on a 4x4-inch screen only to send an emoji to the person waiting on the other end. Is this called Deshbhakti? No, I don't think so. And give the poor work, not money. And if you have debts to give money, then okay, I guess, give as long as you live. And I see another little problem as well. They say that we have good techniques here in India, a place where Muslims are born, Hindus and Sikhs are also born, and Christians are born. But are humans no longer born? I mean, I mean, what I'm trying to say is we don't need nobody from any religion or any caste specifically, but for Rashtra Nirman, only and only good people are necessary, no matter who they are, rich, poor, from a religion or a caste or whatever. For Rashtra Nirman, only good people are necessary. Only and only good people are necessary. And I see another little problem, and it comes to a big surprise to me that the country that has shown the whole world what unity and diversity truly means for starters, and on one hand we've got things like IIT, IIM and NIT, and on the other hand हमारे देश के गरीबों को उनके हाथों में सर्व शिक्षा अभियान का झुंझुना पकड़ा दिया जाता है। और मैं बता दूं, एंड आई जस्ट से दिस, इस सब का कारण केवल एक वो ये कि हमारे देश की शिक्षा नीति केवल दो तरह के लोगों के लिए बनती है, पहले वो जो विद्वान है, दूसरे वो जो धनवान है। I see many other problems like these, and the main root cause for all these is our blind belief. और मेरे विचारों में जब तक इस देश का युवा मंदिरों में जा जाकर नारियल फोड़ कर भगवान को विशप लगाता रहेगा, हमारे समाज का शिक्षित वर्ग ही बिल्ली के रास्ते काटने पर खड़े हो जाना, अपने धर्म अपनी जाति को ऊंचा मानकर दूसरों की धर्म की अवहेलना करता रहेगा, तब तक हमारा राष्ट्र निर्माण संभव नहीं होगा और ना ही इस देश से अंधविश्वास खत्म होगा। एंड इन माय ओपिनियन our राष्ट्र निर्माण will be possible when women are respected, not worshipped. राष्ट्र निर्माण will be possible when in स्वच्छता अभियान not only municipal corporation workers but every single person gives a helping hand. Rashtra Nirman will be possible when we take Swachh Bharat and Swasth Bharat to heart. Rashtra Nirman will be possible when we all work together. And in present scenarios, Rashtra Nirman will be possible when a poor boy goes out to the street not for midday lunch but for education and studies. And during our present scenarios, during this COVID pandemic period, our Rashtra Nirman will be possible when we all work together and hand in hand, let's take India further and make it a better place for all of us. And our Rashtra Nirman will be possible when we all help each other. And during this COVID pandemic, many people have faced losses, especially when it comes to losing human lives. And during all of this, to cope with all of this, like we have COVID in one hand and then we've got disasters in another hand, and on salt and pepper, like on top of all this, like salt and pepper, we've got natural disasters and so many other things that are worrying all of us. And to cope with all this fast and pleasant situation, we all should work hand in hand and move further, and we should always think in a high level and use time in a good way, because, and I quote, lost time never comes back. It's something that my mother always tells me. And our Rashtra Nirman will be possible when we all work together. Like, I'm not telling you all to go hike Mount Everest and jump paraglide off it all at once, because, I mean, what I'm trying to say is we have to, I mean, I'm telling all this, but we have to start with small steps. Because you don't downright get hurt by mountains. It usually starts with small stones. And finally, our Rashtra Nirman will be possible when we all work together. And Uncle, hang on a minute. I'm not done yet, okay? I'm nearly done. Hang on a minute. And our Rashtra Nirman will be possible when we all work together. And I would like to just say this in the end. मेरा हिंदुस्तान महान था, महान है, रहेगा। हिंदुस्तान महान है, महान रहेगा। होगा हमारा सबके बुलंद तो एक दिन पाकिस्तान जय हिंद रहेगा। And not even Pakistan, but the entire nation is going to say Jai Hind, because सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदू सिता हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदू सिता हमारा, हम बुलबुलें हैं इसकी, ये गुलिस्तान हमारा, ये गुलिस्तान हमारा। जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम। Thank you so much.